Welcome to our tutorial on how to export the seed of your PKT Pal product. Before we begin, it's important to note that the device must be paired and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the laptop. First, navigate to the Wallet tab and click Export in the seed sidebar. You will then be prompted to enter your passphrase to confirm the action. Accept the conditions at the bottom of the prompt, then click Export Wallet Seed. It's mandatory to write down and remember this passphrase, otherwise you will not be able to use the seed when importing is required. You will then be prompted with tips to keep your seed and passphrase safe. Make sure you take these actions and do not skip over them. PKT Pal does not keep records for your security and privacy. Next, click Get My Seed. You will then be redirected to the seed page, where you can view the seed. It is important to copy the seed and store it in a secure location. If something happens to your wallet, you can't recover it without both your seed and passphrase. Once you have done this, close the window. That's all. You've successfully exported the seed of your PKT Pal product. Remember to store your seed and passphrase in a secure place like a safe. If someone gets a hold of your seed, they'll be able to steal all of your coins. Also, if you lose your seed and passphrase, and something happens to your PKT Pal product, your coins will be lost forever. PKT Pal does not have a way to recover your coins if you don't have records of your seed or your passphrase, so it is your responsibility to keep it safe. We cannot stress the importance of this enough. Thank you for following this tutorial. Follow and subscribe to stay up to date. Make sure to connect with us on all our social channels, and we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please contact Routie at PKTPal.com.